Hi everyone. Today I have an entry share for you. This one is from Donna, and she is Donna's Whimsical Treasures. This is an entry for my 1200 plus subby challenge giveaway that I have going on. And there's still plenty of time if anybody wants to comment on that, or, you know, still plenty of time because we're not closing until the 31st of July, and then I'm going to do the drawing on, I believe I said the 3rd. I think that's the day. Let's have a quick look and see. Whoops, wrong direction. Yep, August 3rd. So like Friday or Saturday, I will be doing that drawing for the challenge. So, actually, this was delivered, you know, almost a week ago, and it was delivered to my neighbors, and thanks very much, but they didn't, you know, they brought it to me yesterday and was like, oh, sorry, this has been sitting on my table for a while, and I thought, well, thanks a lot, you know, but at least they decided that they were going to bring it. So here we go. We are, whoops, let's see if we can get this open. So, firstly, thank you, Miss Donna, for entering and doing a video response. And if you guys aren't subscribed to Donna's Whimsical Treasures, you need to go over there and subscribe because she does the cutest projects. And she is a absolutely fabulous lady. And I really appreciate her. So, okay, we're open. Here we go. All right, I'm going to put the links to Donna's video response and her channel in the description box below, so you guys can go down there and just like click right on that. But so here we go. And oh my goodness, Miss Donna. Okay, I'm thinking that's her rosette. Oh, how cute. All right, so you know what? We're going to just pull this out, and I'm going to move this box out of the way. So look at how pretty that is, guys. Can you see that through the glare on the plastic? Okay, so let's move that out of the way. Thank you, Miss Donna. You are such a sweetheart. Such a sweetheart. Okay, so we're going to open this in the order in which it was packed. Or maybe the reverse order, as the case may be. So, okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, Donna. Donna. Look at how beautiful, guys. Okay. Let's see if we can figure out how to, there we go. Get this open. All right, hold on. Look at her beautiful rosette. Okay. What do we got here? Nothing there. All right. So when Donna did this, she said it would make a beautiful, like, can you see that, guys? Oh my goodness. And look at the layers. This would make the most beautiful, like, wall hanging, or like a wind, you know what I mean, hang by the window or something like that and have the wind blow, but would also make an absolutely lovely ornament. And she has got the most amazing amount of layers there. That is absolutely fabulous. And it says some kind of wonderful right here. Hopefully I'm in the frame. But oh my goodness, Donna, you just outdid yourself on that. Isn't that fabulous? And this paper is just beautiful. Just beautiful. That is so gorgeous. So, fabulous. Thank you, Donna. You are such a sweetheart. Okay, so we're going to see if we can get in here. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at her wand is just delightful. And this packaging, phenomenal. Okay, so I'll put that over there. But look at that. That is beautiful, Donna. Just beautiful. Look at the layers. Look how pretty. That is delightful. Beautiful dye. Fabulous. And she just combined both. She did lace and paper. Just beautiful. And that bling. Thank you for sharing, Miss Donna. Thank you, thank you. So, isn't that beautiful? I'm thinking she got the rosette thing right down pat right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. And this, just beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can get in here. Somewhere in here. My eyes are just not working well with this heat. And glasses. Super hot outside, and I came in, and it's like it does when it's cold and you come into the heat. My glasses just fog up. But okay, guys, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Love that. Isn't that just a gorgeous little ribbon? Just beautiful. So she has a pocket letter filled, or a pocket envelope, pocket stuff letter. You know what? I'm still kind of at a loss as to what we call these things because, yeah, I'm still kind of at a loss. I'm thinking pocket, envelope, stuffed, something in that ball. Sorry, Donna. It's one of those days, honey. Just one of those days. So, this has Miss Donna's information on it. So, she did an ATC. Really? I've got my brain. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Memory decks. I have to go have some tests done today to find out what is going on with this cough that I've had. And so we're still in the testing phase to find out what's going on. So, but look at this cute little bag. That is delightful. Thank you, Donna. So, memory decks card. Beautiful. And that's got Donna's information on the back. Donna's Whimsical Treasures. Beautiful. And her style, shabby chic and vintage. She loves to alter things, and her favorite colors are pink and pastels. And that is a adorable little picture of yourself down there, Miss Donna. So there's that. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to put that right there. And look at in here. Oh my goodness, that is just beautiful. I love that. Small water forget-me-not. Beautiful. But look at the paper. Isn't that gorgeous? And I absolutely love that. It's beautiful pink trim. And this is just delightful. I love that. And then in the back, she's done another pocket. That is so cute, Donna. So, so cute. Okay, so, and she put some goodies in here. Look at that, guys. Let's see. These images were copied from The Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady by Edith Holden. Okay. We're going to have a look-see. We are going to have a look and see. I am so sorry, Miss Donna, that I am just like all discombobulated today. Those are adorable. I love that type of situation. They make the cutest little place to put like something for a word or something like that. I just can't talk today. Beautiful. I love to put things like this in my Bible, just so you know. And I'm sure there are those of you out there going, why would Goldie do that with a Bible? Because she probably doesn't read the Bible. But you know what? I do. I do. And these are beautiful. Milkwort. Smooth. Health. Smooth Heath bed straw. Sorry, I can't read very well today. Thinking I need a magnifying glass for today. May saw a painted lady butterfly, gathered some greater celandine and large hogweed, quantities of deep crimson. Oh, how beautiful. How beautiful. I love that. Thank you, Donna. Thank you. For June. So pretty. So pretty. Thank you, Miss Donna. Okay, I have to put these back in here. So, okay, guys, just bear with. We've got one more cute little package here to open. And, oh, how pretty. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to, like, gawk and read and look right alongside you. And these bags are just delightful. Okay, so here we go. Oh, and she did a tag as well. How beautiful. And look at that pretty little bird and the flowers, and everything is so sparkly. Can you guys see that? I hope you can see that. Can't tell if that's picking up the light, but look at how beautiful. It says peace right here. So pretty. And Miss Donna's tag. There you go. So she hit all of the above. Thank you, Donna. Thank you, thank you. Your little girl is so delightful. She's beautiful. And the papers you chose are just perfect. Okay, so I need to get everything in here so you guys can see. Hang on, we're going to put this back in here. But look at that. Look at how pretty. Okay, see if we can fit everything in here. All right. There we go. Look at that, guys. Just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, hold on. So there we have it. We have Miss Donna's entry, Donna's Whimsical Treasures. Thank you, Donna. You have the full number. You've got 5 chances to win. And I am going to, like I said, I'm going to link Donna's information in the description box below. And you guys need to go check her out. And if you're not already subscribed, you need to subscribe to her, because she is absolutely the sweetest ever, and her crafting is just absolutely astounding, in case y'all couldn't tell. So thanks everyone for watching. Thank you, Miss Donna. I will be back at some point in the next day or two with a project share, and I think I've got like a little mini haul at some point. So thanks again. Bye for now.